In this question, you have to find the limit of this expression as t tends to 0. As t tends to 0, this part tends to infinity, 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 and hence the value of this tends to infinity, this tends to 0. Therefore, it is in the indeterminate form of infinity to the power 0. Agreed, there is a standard way for dealing with the questions in which infinity to the power 0 comes, but that general way will make the question lengthy. But this question can be done easily without using that standard way. It is clear that out of all of them, this is the greatest one, hence I take this outside. What benefit I will get by taking this outside, you will understand when I will do the question. If I take this thing outside, I will get limit t tends to 0, I'll be getting n outside because this with this power will come outside, therefore I will be getting n. And here 1 by n to the power 1 by sin square t plus 2 by n to the power 1 upon sin square t, and lastly plus 1 whole to the power sin square t. The term just previous to it will be n minus 1 by n to the power 1 by sin square t. It is very easy to see because n is a natural number greater than 1, hence this is less than 1. Therefore, when power tends to infinity, this will tend to 0. Similarly, this will tend to 0. Similarly, this will be tending to 0 because in each case, numerator is less than denominator. Hence, the value of inside is always less than 1. Therefore, the whole thing always tends to 0. Therefore, this whole thing will be tending to 0. That is, I can say, including this one, the interior part tends to 1 and power is tending to 0. If base tends to 1, power tends to 0, this is not any indeterminate form. Answer will be always 1. Therefore, I will be getting the answer only as n because I am getting the limit of this part as 1. Therefore, n into 1 is n.